If you want to make your website secure with HTTPS on Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can install your SSL certificate properly, get your site running on HTTPS, and verify that everything is working at the end. This is one of the most important things you can do for your website because HTTPS helps protect your visitors, improves trust, and can even help with search engine performance. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy web hosting and website setup guides. Let's jump into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to your hosting list. This is where all of your hosting accounts are shown, so take a moment to find the correct hosting plan connected to the domain you want to secure. If you manage more than one website, make sure you pick the right one because the SSL certificate needs to be installed on the exact domain you want protected. After you find the correct hosting account, click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account, where you can manage your website settings and SSL tools. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the Namecheap SSL section. This is where Namecheap gives you the options to activate, install, or reinstall your certificate depending on its current status. Now this part is important because the option you choose depends on whether the SSL is new or already been used before. If the SSL is brand new, select Ready for installation. If the SSL was previously installed, then choose Installed via Namecheap SSL. And if you need to install it again, open the status dropdown and select Reinstall. These options make sure the certificate is handled correctly based on its current state, so pay close attention before moving on. Next, select the domain you want to secure. If you're only protecting one website, this part is simple, but if your hosting account contains multiple domains or subdomains, make sure you choose the one you actually want to use with HTTPS. After selecting the domain, you may see a confirmation prompt. If that happens, click Yes, Replace. This step confirms that you want to apply the certificate to that domain and continue with the installation. Once everything is selected correctly, click Install Certificate. At this point, Namecheap will begin processing the SSL installation. You may need to wait a little while for the installation to complete, so give it a minute and don't refresh too quickly. Depending on the server and certificate status, this can take a short time to fully apply. And that's it. You've now learned how to make your website secure with HTTPS on Namecheap, install the SSL certificate, and verify that it's working properly. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.